In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change permissions on Snapchat. This is an important skill to have as it allows you to control what information and features the app can access. Managing permissions helps protect your privacy and ensures that your Snapchat experience is tailored to your preferences. First, open your phone's Settings app. You will see various options on your screen. The Settings app is usually represented by a gear icon. Tapping this icon takes you to a menu where you can adjust many aspects of your device. This is an essential first step because all permission changes for apps are handled through the device settings. So go ahead and give that gear icon a tap to proceed. Next, tap on Apps. This section contains all the applications installed on your device. When you tap on it, you will see a list of apps that you have installed. This step is crucial because it allows you to narrow down to the specific app whose permissions you want to change. Once you are in the Apps menu, you should see a comprehensive list of apps sorted alphabetically. Look for Snapchat in this list. Weo? From there, select See All Apps or App List and tap on Snapchat. This action takes you directly to the Snapchat app settings. If you don't see Snapchat immediately, you can use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. This step is important because it ensures you are configuring the correct app. Once you tap on Snapchat, you will be directed to a page with various settings specific to the app. Now tap Permissions. This section shows you all the permissions that Snapchat is currently using or requesting. You will see a list with features like camera, microphone, and location, among others. Understanding the permissions is key because each one plays a role in how the app functions. You can modify these settings to enhance your privacy or improve your user experience. Next up, tap on the specific feature you want to alter, such as camera. After you select a feature, you will see options like Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, or Don't allow. Choosing the right option is essential because it impacts how Snapchat interacts with that feature. For example, if you select Allow only while using the app, Snapchat can access your camera only when you are actively using it. This choice helps to keep your information secure and limits unnecessary access. After you have made your choice, remember to double-check your settings. It's always good to make sure that everything is set to your liking. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it ensures you won't have to revisit the settings repeatedly. Once you confirm your selections, you can exit out of the settings and return to Snapchat, knowing you have tailored the permissions according to your needs. In conclusion, adjusting permissions on Snapchat is a straightforward process that enhances both your security and your experience with the app. By following these steps, you can ensure that Snapchat only accesses the features you want it to. Take a moment to review these settings periodically, as app updates may introduce new permission requests. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Snapchat with your personalized settings.